Welcome to Head or Tail. Today we are going to learn in C language pointer to function. What is a pointer to function in C language? So to understand first pointer to function, first understand what is a pointer. A pointer is a variable that hold the address of simple variable like this. In C program I have created pointer type of integer $p and another variable new number and assigning the value of 746. Now because I told you pointer is hold the address of variables, so suppose the variable num, which is value is 746 and address is 65,522 in memory location. So pointer assigns address of num. So pointer is another variable in different location in memory and he holds the address 65,522 and the pointer address is maybe 65,524. So this is the holding the address of variable. How can we assign the address of variable? Like p equal to address of num. In yellow line is showing in code p equal to address of num. And the how to show the value of pointer? If we display the only pointer in C language, then we show the value 65,522. But if we use the star sign in pointer, then we show go to the pointer address value 746. Now comes to our point pointer to function. In function declaration I have created a simple function void message function. Okay, void message function. This is a simple function declaration. Now the same yellow line is go to pointer to function declaration. So void bracket star pf underscore message and bracket close and then function symbol. So this is the pointer to function of function message. Now same like we create the simple function integer sum and passing two variables type of integer. This is showing red line. This is also simple function. Now the red line goes to pointer to function. So integer bracket star pf underscore sum bracket close and function symbol, then passing two integer variables int comma int. So this is the two argument is receiving this function. So this is the simple function and this is the pointer to function. Okay, now same like this hello function character array is receiving simple function and the pointer to function is void star pf underscore hello bracket and then function symbol or character array receiving. Now same like void simple function void left str character pointer and integer receive, and this the same of the declaration of pointer to function is void pf underscore left str bracket close star then character pointer and integer pointer. So this is the simple pointer to function declaration. Now how to use the pointer to function. So before we created pointer to function, we learned how to assign the simple pointer to address. So we use the uh, p equal to address of num. This is the n% sign, but here we cannot use the n% sign because it is simple assignment. Pointer to function pf underscore message equal to message. This is the assignment of pointer to function. Same like pf underscore hello equal to hello. This is also assignment hello function. Now pf underscore sum equal to sum function. Now pf underscore left str equal to left str function. So this is the assignment of pointer to function. Now the printf message is showing the simple display string. So if a pointer to function is hold the address, so if we want to know what is the address of our function, so we can use like this address printf address. Okay, %7 u. This is the formatting string character, or u is unsigned integer because we can't use in the %d. Okay, so we use the %u unsigned integer because the address is 2 byte and the maximum value of address is 65,500. Okay, 22, and the in %d we can use only 32,000 range. So the pointer to function address pf underscore message, pf underscore hello, pf underscore sum, pf underscore left str. This is the address of our function. How to call the function? Pf underscore message bracket function. This is the message function. Pf underscore hello inside the string viewers. Okay, this function is called printf sum function %d display string and number 3 6 and pf underscore sum parameter pass 3 and 6 integer type. Now pf underscore left str, so hello world comma 5, so left 5 string hello is the output. Now the tell summary. Finally, we learned pointer to function and how to use pointer to function in our program. Also learned about the concept of pointer and use of pointer. Hope tutorial will help to understand the concept of pointer to function. Thanks to watch head or tell.